Hey guys, VlogsOfSteel here. I am playing the Take on Helicopters demo. Oh god, oh no 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 please no. You crap, no 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 that's no. It's not fair. Stop. Okay. Got it on the no 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 don't turn upside down. Why are you turning upside down? Oh god, no, not the boat. I can start the engine again. What's that do? No, 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 turn back, turn on the engine again. Oh, I'm dead. Make me go too high to fly right over the high. No, no, that's the floor. I don't want to hit the floor or the ground. No, 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 go upside down. No, pull up, pull up, pull up. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna fly through that. I'm gonna fly through that sideways. No, no! Hey, cars. Alright, pull off. No! Oh god. Oh, there's a big building there. Turn, 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 turn. Yes. No! Wow, look at the view. I like that view. All the cars. It's a good view. Ooh, that was a lucky. Oh no, oh no, 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 turn, 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 building, oh crap, this way, lower this way, yeah, oh, that was a bright explosion, can't see, what am I flying towards, I don't, Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was kind of short, I only had a little bit of gameplay from it. I'm still getting the hang of the game. I'm pretty good at flying the light helicopters, but as you can see, I still crash a lot. So I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day.